vlogs. You're on video.
That is all I want.
All fight.
Disney World, guys. Comes in handy, don't it?
Look at there, Dad. All the pirate stuff. This pirate stuff. Here's a good picture for you right here.
Yeah, that would be good for kids.
Get up there, we'll take your picture with that.
Get up there and cut it, Grandpa.
Here's Legoland. Kobe's excited. I'm gonna go film the monster. Come here, Kobe. Let's look at the monster over here, buddy. I know, it was night when we were here.
We're gonna get some water. We're gonna go get some water, honey. Then we'll
Yeah. There's Rainforest Cafe over there. See if we can get these little boats. Well, see, these are all Disney resorts, and they'll taxi them back and forth if you're staying there. There's a Transformer Lego up there, Kobe. We need to get you pictures with this. Remember last time it was all dark when we took our pictures?
Oh, look at that. Kobe, isn't that something with the dogs? I got some reason my yard.
We're here at Legoland. Mom's looking at flowers.
I don't think she's noticed it.
Get up there, let's take some pictures, and then we're going to shop.
Look at that.
Get up there.
Oh, you got something?
Get up there and smile, Kobe, and then we'll get some toys or whatever.
Oh, wow. Get over.
Pet the dog or something. He just wants to shop. He'll be fine.
Come on, Kobe, scoot over.
There's Rose up front with her cell phone.
Well, there's your...
Broken cars, oh yeah, made your own car.
What are we making? All right. You building one, Code? How's yours going? I'm gonna go get Dad. We're gonna go back to the...
It's nice out here.
Mm-hmm. Not real crowded right now. It will be later. Ghirardelli chocolate. Because what you need to do is retire and get a job driving one of these boats, taking people back and forth from the hotel. Or heck with that, I'll just get the job and do it. I'll retire. What's that? You wouldn't be happy. There's a lizard.
I don't have another one. I brought one. The others are at the hotel. Did Jared win his picture with that?
You want your picture with the lizard?
No, it's a shark and a lobster.
Yeah, get up there.
Here, give me the camera.
He's been in different places. He's still down there. Spitting out water.
Spitting water out?
Spitting out water. Go stand there, guys.
You want to go get wet?
Get wet.
You want to go get wet? You want to spit water on?
Wet, of course.
You want to do it? And get wet? Pull off?
Toby?
Go on. You do it.
Grandma likes
There is
flowers better.
Jaren. There's. I know she keeps messing with flowers.
It'd be pretty if you two.
Sit down
right
on the
there.
thing.
Larry,
Dad, sit
right
down.
here, you two.
Do you want to go in there? Go on. You want to go look? Go on. Come on. Hang here. Come here. Come here. Jaren smells chocolate. It's just chocolate, everything. Let's go to the Rainforest Cafe so Kobe can get something and we'll come back in here.
Slow down, Candace.
Get your face painted, Dad? Get your face painted? Give me a tattoo. See, we didn't go to any of that over there. Hey, Kobe, come here, come here. Let's go this way. There's some toy stuff over here. I saw a big, giant Mr. Potato Head. Okay? Ride the train. Rose, here's where you need to go in. See the potato head over there? Do y'all want to go in there and let me take the kids?
Let's see it.
Want to go this place here? It's got toys in it. Once upon a toy. Let's see what there's toys in here. Come on, Kobe. You can make your own potato head with Mickey Mouse ears if you wanted to. Come here, Jan. No? Huh? I am. Come here, Jared. We'll come back.
Come back. We'll come back. We'll come back this direction.
People that collect pins, Kobe, excuse me, they go in there and they trade them. They can buy new ones. Mom, Dad back there? Mm-hmm. So Dad, I'm going to put an electric collar around him down there if he wanders off. Shocking. How many? There's the Rainforest Cafe. Right. I'm going to get an 8-headed snake. It's Disney Tales for Pets. It's a pet store and all they sell is Disney stuff. If we ate here early, it wouldn't be as bad. Be a good place for a picture. While nobody's out here. I say we do it now. Guys,
That's just a sculpture. Round. Mountain. Where's the sculpture?
Why can't we touch it?
That's too funny.
Yeah, so maybe he needs money to.
What? Go in. Oh, throw in a dime? I don't. I've left the dime in the. He wants more than that.
There's got to be some motion. He wants $1. All right.
I got the alligator. This poor girl, what are you looking at in the front? I know, walk
Candy.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I got the gator.
You did?
Is this stranded?
Help us find a two-headed one. You have to get me in front of the palm tree somewhere.
Well, here, stand right here. And I'll
No, it's
film
not
up.
close enough.
It'll look good, I promise. Get up there real quick and I'll take. All right, Jared.
You told him, I know.
I said get on the bridge so I can take everybody.
Are we there? Finally.
Your lens cover's on.
Hey, that's why. Thanks. I got bad feel like an idiot. I don't know how many times I've done that. I did.
You know what's playing? That's Kiss. Here we are 30-something years later, and they're
No,
still playing.
Jared.
Can somebody hold it?
I'll take it.
Jared, you gonna put that back in the bag?
No.
Whoa.
What?
Right out in front of Kobe. Did you get that on there?
I don't know. I didn't see it because of the glasses. Look at that big gator over there. See, we never saw any of this. You want me to carry that bag, Dad?
Here, it's all right. You can carry it. Make stuff useful.
This would be good pictures. Guys, come here. Kobe. Look at this. That big fishing boat over there.
What?
You never been in Planet Hollywood, have you?
Is it a restaurant or what?
Yeah, they have.
Right now I got a picture of the boys at Florida on the beach or something.
I used to do all that stuff. Now I just use the computer just to get the stuff done. That's it. Even at home, I don't hardly do
Yeah.
anything on it. Good.
Jason changes theirs all the time too. Jimmy Neutron and whatever else.
Well, now we're moving on to Bunny, our Now, just to give you guys a fair warning, we saved Bunny for a last our umbrella cockatoo on the end, the white one down there. Doesn't like to share his water during bath time, nor does he like it when bath time ends. So just to give you a fair warning, when we run out of water, Bunny is actually going to be quite loud. And he's rather upset when we run out of water. We're going to take pictures, and I suggest taking them now. If you look in front of us, most of you probably have to take a
Not pirate show, parrot show.
Close enough.
waving at you, Kobe. He ain't dancing. He's looking at you, Kobe. Go ahead.
On behalf of Rainforest Cafe, let's welcome John K. Safari of 2, Brian Safari of 2, Michelle Safari of 2, Tom Safari of 4, Logan Safari of 4, Leo Safari of 5, David.
We're in the elephant room. Okay?
Which one's your favorite?
There probably was a puffer. Puffer up at the top.
Standing in line, you want to come across the line and walk around. So let's say there's nobody in line when you've got
Watch your steps.
Watch your step.
Boys in the back so they can
However they want to sit, it's fine.
back here.
Sit back here. Go ahead, Jen. Go in the back so you can set your stuff down on the floor back there.
Take your floor.
I'll let you try it. I want to enjoy my cup for a minute. Storm's over. Volcano. There it comes. There it comes. There you go. Thank you.
Four brownies. This was ice cream.
Where'd our volcano go?
That's what I said.
What's that?
Falling off.
It's alright. Leave it, Jared. It's alright. No.
Smile, Toby.
He doesn't want to.
Digging in. Is it good? Not good.
You think it is?
You might have to get another volcano. There was a movie called Joe versus the Volcano. They should get one called Jared versus the Volcano.
Did I read?
Starring Jared.